Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today I just visited my this ZIF2, and unfortunately this yesterday the late night our mother goat, she delivered immature dead 2 babies. We had our mother goat today delivered today morning.
No, yesterday.
Yesterday, okay. So she delivered immature babies. So you can see, yeah, one is there. The other one dog took it. So it's okay. This is life. What to do? But it's too small.
Yes, premature.
Yeah. But this I don't know how it's happened to him. This one, he was okay. Why? What happened to him, Luz?
Nagkuhan siya kuya. Ano bang tawag doon?
Nagkain.
Na may lumabas sa kwan niya sa bat.
Because maybe eat something.
No.
Yeah. This one is okay now, the eye? Or we have to give another injection? It's okay, give one more.
Naka-recover. This one is recovered. Hey!
But this one, can we give one more?
Ay, enough.
Enough?
Kuya.
Ah, okay.
Baka kasi matawag nito, mabigla ba?
So, and the morning just now I went there, so there is previous, we have one small baby goat, also the brown one, which we used to call jackal actually. So unfortunately that is also died. So rest in peace, inna lavina rajion. So this is the part of life, what to do. So anyway, so stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.